Logan is using his walker. Come on, you gotta get back up, buddy. Let's see him. Ready? Look at you go! Whoa, you're so fast, Logan. Whoa, crash. Now what? Now what? You made it all the way over. Oh, you're just gonna push right through it. Good job, buddy. Logan, how old are you? 9.5 months? Hey, do you think that's fun, Logan? Is that a lot of fun? Yeah? Do you think that's a good time? Those toys? Yeah, the best, huh? Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, we're going to also show everyone how you can stand on your own for a minute? Okay, you ready? You just want to hold on to things. Logan. Well, no, we're too busy. These toys are just so much fun. Watch, I'll show you this one. Ready? This one goes like this. Ready? Watch it. Wow. Pretty cool, huh, Logan? Did you use every piece of it? Did you try out every piece of the toy? Oh, can you say mama or dada for the camera? Can you say mama or dada for the camera? You little monkey? Oh, you're my little monkey. All right, we're going for the camera. Ah, all right, we got to turn it off.